Today we are going to discuss very basic topic of the digital electronics, which is number system. Generally, number system used to define magnitude of any quantity. So what is that actually? Let's say there are 5 monkeys in the tree. So how a human can describe that? In which base it has been defined, like which number system which has been defined, like that 5 represent what actually. Okay, so basically 5 is actually decimal number system. Humans in general define it in the decimal number system. So basically there are different types of number systems. So the types are binary number system, then octal number system, then decimal number system, last one is hexadecimal number system. So we are going to see very basic things about these 4 types of number systems. Before going to start those things, I am going to discuss about very important thing, which is actually base or radix of a number system. After that we can define all these things, how it actually works, what is binary number system, what is decimal number system, what is the maximum digits in it. All these things we can define after seeing the base or radix of the number system. So base or radix is a value representing, base is nothing else, the value representing particular number system is called base. Means value representing particular number system is called base or radix. So what is the value here? It particularly defines the number of digits, the number of letters. The value is what actually here? The number of digits, okay, or letters, or your number of symbols it carries. So how to define this mainly? How to define this base mainly? How to define this base? This is very important. How to define? Example, it mainly defines 0 to r minus 1 numbers of digits, a number system has. Means here r is known as base or radix. R 0 to r minus 1 number of digits or numbers a particular number system carries. Maximum is r minus 1 number of digits a particular number system carries. So see here, so we'll start with the thing binary number system. In binary number system mainly the base or radix is radix is 2. Okay, the number of digits here, number system can explain here, is 0 to r minus 1. 2 minus 1 means 0 to 1. So what are the digits actually? What are the digits or values are? 0 and 1 are actually binary number system. Next, octal number system. Octal number system, the base or radix is 8. So here the number of digits, the particular octal number system carries 0 to 8 minus 1 means 0 to 7. So it in the range of 0 to 7, the numbers representing in octal number system must contain 0 to 7. So digits are mainly, or values are mainly 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 7. So now example is, let's say 27 is actually the octal number system. Okay, now the thing is Third one, is decimal number system. Mainly in decimal number system, but the base or radix is 10. So here the number of digits, the particular decimal number system must be within a range of 0 to 10 minus 1, that is 0 to 9. So the digits are included in this are 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 9. Okay. So next one is, fourth one is hexadecimal, very important one, hexadecimal number system. Hexadecimal number system. Mainly the hexadecimal number system base or radix are hexa. So it's actually 16. So mainly the number of digits that particular hexadecimal number system are in the range of, for here, 0 to 15. 16 minus 1, 15. So the digits are mainly 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 9. Then after A, B, C, D, E, F. These are actually decoding into hexa. So these are 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So what is mainly decoding? We are going to see here why actually decoding has been happened for the 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 like A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay. See here, let's say I am going to give an example here. Example is, let's say one has to transfer a 2-bit hexadecimal digits. Let's say 2 and 15 from the transmitter to the receiver. Okay. So while after receiving at the receiver end, it has been received like 250. So one can get confused at the receiver that whether it's a 215 hexadecimal data or a 2 and 15 hexadecimal data. Hence what we have done, if we have done certain decoding to reduce the confusion at the receiver end. So if we can send the 2, 15 with 2F, then one can easily represent over here at the receiver end that 2 and F are the two hexadecimal bits had been transferred from the transmitter to the receiver. So the decoding in the hexadecimal code is the most important part of this number system. So what we have discussed in this today, in the number system, there are basically 4 number systems are there. One is a binary, decimal, octal and hexadecimal. What do you mean by then we are going to see 1 or 2 examples over here. So what are those examples? Example number 1, 283. What is the type of a decimal number system? So this is nothing else the base or radix. 283. It can be, what is the maximum digit it carries? So it is 2, 8 and 3. So the options are binary, decimal, hexadecimal. Okay, so what you can choose actually, you have to check what is the maximum digit it has 8. So 8 means what will be the base maximum? 8 plus 1 is 9 would be the base. So base would be greater than equal to your 9. So what will be the base greater than equal to 9? It is actually maybe decimal or maybe hexadecimal. So this is the way you can convert the things actually.